Welcome to Nafaz Academy. This is Nafaz speaking. Today's topic is 90-degree clockwise rotation. This one is an example. It is 90-degree clockwise and center is 0, 0. There is no center mentioned. That means center is 0, 0. At first, I'm going to rotate the point A first. And as you know from of my previous the last video, we have to place the projector origin onto the origin of our axis and align the baseline projector with the specific point we intend to rotate. Okay, a point must be placed to the right side of the projector. A is same point on the origin, so A and B point is 1 unit from the center, so B prime also be 1 unit from the center. And now I'm adding A, D, A and A prime in the same position in real time. And now this one is the left side of the projector. I'm placing the projector in the on the left side of the targeted point. It is our 90-degree direction line. 2 unit from the origin, so 2 unit F prime would be 2 unit from the origin also. Adding F, A prime and F prime added together. Now C is 3 unit. 3 is 1 unit. I'm placing the projector same as previous, left side of the projector on the targeted point and origin on the origin. So C is 1 unit diagonally from the origin. So C prime must be 1 unit diagonal from the origin to the 90-degree direction. B to C, adding B prime and C prime. B prime and C prime, yes. And now point D, drawing the point D, placing the projector, same, align the baseline, align to the targeted point D and origin on the origin. So it is 2 diagonal unit from the origin. So D prime will be same 2 diagonal unit from the origin. This on, maybe this on is the D prime, yes, that on. C to D line, adding this C prime, D prime. There is a last on point E prime. It is E prime, same, placing the projector, the baseline align to the targeted point E, origin on the origin. It is 90-degree direction. The E is 2 diagonally unit from the origin, so E prime will be the same 2 diagonal unit away from the origin. Adding D prime and E prime to F prime. So this is the image, rotated image. Now next one is another math, 90-degree clockwise. Similar, there is no center mentioned. That means center is 0, 0. This is our center. A point and A prime, the rotated A prime, will be the same point. Yeah. And now I'm going to rotate the point B first. B will be the left side of our baseline of the projector and origin on the origin. So at first marking the 90-degree direction. It is a 90 direction, and B is 2 unit from the origin and B prime also 2 unit away from the origin. Adding A prime to B prime, and now C prime. C rotating C, similar baseline through to the C line, and it is our 90-degree direction line. C point is 2 diagonal unit away from the origin, 1 2 and 1 2. It is assuming the corner of the box, always pointed corner of the box is assuming. So it is C prime. Now we have to add B, and B is done. B is done, C is done, A is done, and then we have to add this one. Okay, always remember that the targeted point, always when you place the projector, your targeted point always be in the left side of the projector. Left side, always left side. It is very, very important. I emphasize these rules. If you forget it, your answer will be wrong. Now, adding C and D prime, A to D and C prime to B prime added, and the last one is A prime to D prime. It is done. It is looks what a beautiful. And now next one is 90-degree clockwise, center 2 2. Center, there is a new center, so forget about the 0 0 center or origin, doesn't matter. At first your job is mark the center 2 2. Okay, 90-degree clockwise, center 2 2. Mark the center first. It is 1 2 2 2. Okay, 2 2 is our center. I have marked, and now I'm going to rotate point A, placing the projector origin on the origin, left side to the targeted point. It is our 90-degree direction line. A is 3 diagonal unit from the origin, so A prime will be same 3 diagonal unit from the origin, assuming the corners point, always assuming. This one is A prime, and now C is the left side of the projector, left side or right side. Yes, always left side of the projector. Almost I'm going to take the mistake. Yes, it is the 90-degree direction. It is confusing. It is C prime, 1 unit from the origin, 1 unit from the origin to C prime. And now point D, same origin on the origin, and left side of the projector to the targeted point, rotating point B. It is our 90-degree rotation, and B is 3 diagonal unit from the origin, so B prime will be same 3 diagonal unit from the origin. 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Yes, this point is B prime, and simply add them, then answer will be appear. Yes, I'm adding A prime and B prime, and C prime to B prime, and C prime to A prime. It is your answer. It looks another beautiful answer, isn't it? Thank you very much.